Boxing Reflex Ball by Alliance Athletic. Let's unbox this. So inside is the product. We'll take it out. You get the ball. It's a very nice ball. You can punch it around. Safety goggles is a must. And then the head strap, which is fully adjustable. So you don't have to worry about size. It'll fit any head. Big, small, medium. So we started off by punching. And it is easy to get used to, but it's very hard to get your hand-eye coordination going. So I started putting on a bit of gloves to make the surface area a bit wider. Yes, my gloves have tape on them because I want to be like Rocky Balboa. No, I'm joking. I'm just too tight to buy new gloves. But anyways, I tried it out and I got the hang of it. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Definitely recommend this product. Gets your hand-eye going. The gloves don't change how you punch, I'll be honest. You still have to have hand-eye coordination. It makes it easier, but you still have to have good hand-eye. The goggles is a must. Please do wear them because I hit myself in the eye here. And if the goggles weren't there, yeah, that would have been a big problem. Thank you very much for watching.